Hi, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Today in this video I am going to discuss a very useful topic with you guys. It is named as Recoverit by Wondershare. It is a professional data recovery software designed to help users retrieve deleted or inaccessible data from various storage devices. By using Recoverit, you can explore data recovery for Windows and Mac both. Advanced data recovery capabilities for comprehensive files restoration is also available. You can recover your lost data with remarkable capability. Here are some reviews about it. Wondershare Recoverit is a product sold for data recovery, repair and backup solutions. It is catering to over 100 million users across 160 countries. Recoverit's feature contents for all recover scenarios. Let's get back to the video. First of all, you have to download it. After successful download and installation of this software, click on Start Now and this type of interface will appear in front of you. In File Cover, we have hard drive and locations. You can select a location to recover your data. You can recover your data from hard disk drives, whether it's C, D or E. As we move into quick access, here you get the option to recover your data from disk, image, desktop. You can recover your data by selecting the folder. You can also recover your data from recycle bin. As we move into SD card recovery, you can recover your data from your SD card. You can connect the SD card via card reader to your computer or laptop to recover your lost data from devices such as GoPro, dashcam, cameras, etc. Once you click Enhanced Recovery in Photo Video Restore, you can recover your lost images and photos by selecting the location of your hard drive, whether it's C, D or E. You can also repair your corrupted video. You just need to add the video here and recover it in just few steps. Moving towards more recovery features, you get the option of System Crashed Computer. You can rescue your data from crashed computer. If your computer is not bootable, if your computer is in a phase of blue screen of death or in a phase of black screen of death. NAS and Linux options are also available. Now I'm going to show you the complete working of File Recover. I am having different types of files in a folder: images, Excel files, PPT files, videos, audios and PDF files. Now I'm going to delete all these files in front of you, as you can see. I'm going to delete these files from recycle bin too. As you can see, my recycle bin is empty. Now I will show you how you can recover these all files by using this software Wondershare Recoverit. Simply you need to select the location of the folder from where you want to recover your files. I am going to select the folder from where I deleted the recent files. Once you selected the desired folder, click on OK. It will start scanning your files, as you can see in the video. Till now it has scanned 847 files and it's still scanning. Once we move to file type, till now it has scanned 834 photos, 4 videos and other documents too. As you can see, these are the Excel files. These are the PPT files. And these are the PDF files which we deleted a few minutes ago. Once we click photos, it has scanned the photos separately depending on their type. As you can see, once you feel your desired item is scanned, you can pause the scanning process. Till now it has scanned 847 files including photos, images and documents. You can recover your deleted files by clicking on Recover. By selecting the location where you want to save your recovered files, you can create a new folder here. After naming the folder, click on Recover. It will recover your files in a few seconds, as you can see. You can open your folder and view your deleted files. As you can see, it has recovered all of your PDF files, PPT files and Excel files, as you can see in the video. This software is very useful for data recovery. You can use it for various types. For these type of further videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you.